Welcome back to our channel, where we explore topics that empower and inspire you. Today, we're diving into a subject that holds the key to your financial future: financial literacy for teens and young adults. In this video, we'll equip you with essential knowledge and practical tips to navigate the complex world of personal finance. Let's get started. Number 1. Why financial literacy matters. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's first understand why financial literacy is so crucial for teens and young adults. In an era where money influences almost every aspect of our lives, being equipped with the right knowledge can make all the difference. Financial independence. Financial independence is the cornerstone of a prosperous future. It grants you the freedom to make choices based on your own financial capabilities, rather than being limited by circumstances. When you possess financial literacy, you gain the power to take control of your financial destiny. It enables you to create a solid foundation, make informed decisions, and build a life that aligns with your goals and values. By understanding how to manage your money, save effectively, and invest wisely, you can break free from financial constraints, secure your own future, and pave the way for a life filled with opportunities and financial stability. Long-term financial well-being. Long-term financial well-being is the result of practicing sound financial habits and making wise decisions today that will benefit you in the future. By developing financial literacy at a young age, you can establish a strong financial foundation. This includes managing your expenses, saving consistently, and understanding the importance of investing. With these skills, you can navigate through life's financial challenges, avoid debt traps, and work towards achieving your long-term goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. Financial literacy empowers you to create a secure and prosperous future for yourself. Confidence and empowerment. Financial literacy breeds confidence and empowerment. When you understand how money works and have the knowledge to make informed financial decisions, you feel more in control of your financial future. This confidence allows you to navigate the financial landscape with clarity and take charge of your own financial well-being. Number 2. Core concepts of financial literacy. Now that we've highlighted the importance of financial literacy, let's explore some core concepts that every teen and young adult should grasp. Budgeting basics. Budgeting is the fundamental building block of financial success. It involves creating a plan for how you will allocate your income to cover your expenses, savings, and investment. By understanding budgeting basics, such as tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making adjustments as needed, you gain control over your finances. Budgeting empowers you to make intentional choices and ensures that your money is working towards your priorities. Saving strategies. Saving strategies are essential for building financial security and achieving your goals. They involve implementing effective methods to consistently set aside money for the future. From the 50-30-20 rule that helps you allocate your income wisely, to automatic savings plans that make saving effortless, and the power of compound interest, understanding and utilizing saving strategies allows you to grow your wealth, establish an emergency fund, and work towards financial independence. Understanding credit. It involves knowing how credit works, including credit scores, reports, and the impact they have on your financial life. By comprehending responsible credit card usage, loan options, and debt management, you can establish and maintain a healthy credit history. Understanding credit empowers you to leverage credit to your advantage, whether it's for purchasing a home, financing education, or building a strong foundation for future financial endeavors. Investing for the future. Investing for the future is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving long-term financial goals. It involves putting your money to work in various investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. By understanding the basics of investing, such as risk tolerance, diversification, and the power of compounding, you can make informed investment decisions that align with your financial objectives. Investing for the future allows your money to grow over time and provides a pathway to financial abundance. Number 3. Practical tips for financial success. Armed with the core concepts of financial literacy, let's explore some practical tips to set you up for financial success. Start early. Starting early on your financial journey is a key principle for long-term success. The power of compounding works in your favor when you give your money more time to grow. By beginning to save and invest at a young age, you can harness the benefits of time and accumulate wealth gradually. Additionally, starting early allows you to develop good financial habits, learn from mistakes, and navigate the complexities of personal finance with more confidence as you progress in life. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals provides you with a roadmap for your financial journey. By clearly defining what you want to achieve, whether it's buying a house, paying off student loans, or retiring comfortably, you can align your actions and decisions accordingly. Setting both short-term and long-term financial goals helps you stay motivated, track your progress, and make informed choices that support your aspirations. It gives you a sense of purpose and direction, enabling you to make intentional financial decisions that lead to long-term success. Track your expenses. Tracking your expenses is a vital practice for effective budgeting and financial management. By keeping a record of your income and expenses, you gain insight into your spending habits and identify areas where you can make adjustments. This awareness helps you make informed decisions about where your money goes and enables you to prioritize your spending based on your values and financial goals. Tracking expenses empowers you to stay in control of your finances and make intentional choices that align with your priorities. Develop good saving habits. Developing good saving habits is crucial for financial success. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, automating your savings, and resisting the temptation of impulsive spending, you build a strong foundation for future financial stability. Cultivating good saving habits ensures that you have a safety net, can pursue your goals, and are prepared for unexpected expenses that may arise. Seek financial education. Seeking financial education is a valuable step towards improving your financial literacy. By actively learning about personal finance through books, online courses, and podcasts, you gain valuable knowledge and insights. Financial education equips you with the tools to make informed decisions, stay updated with financial trends, and navigate the complexities of the ever-changing financial landscape. Number 4, overcoming financial challenges. Finally, let's address common financial challenges and offer strategies to overcome them. Managing student loans. Managing student loans is a crucial aspect of financial responsibility. By understanding your loan terms, exploring repayment options like income-driven plans or loan forgiveness programs, and creating a repayment strategy, you can effectively manage your student loan debt and avoid unnecessary financial stress while pursuing your educational goals. Avoiding debt traps. Avoiding debt traps is essential for maintaining a healthy financial life. By understanding the risks associated with credit card debt and other forms of consumer debt, practicing responsible credit card usage, and prioritizing debt repayment, you can prevent unnecessary financial burdens and maintain control over your financial well-being. Building credit responsibly. Building credit responsibly is key to establishing a solid financial foundation. By using credit wisely, making timely payments, and keeping your credit utilization low, you can build a strong credit history. This allows you to access better loan terms, secure favorable interest rates, and unlock future financial opportunities. Congratulations! You've taken a crucial step towards financial literacy and a secure financial future. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and the more you invest in your knowledge, the greater your rewards will be. With the concepts and tips we've covered today, you're well on your way to making informed financial decisions that will shape your life positively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share this video with your friends and peers because together, we can all build a financially literate future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.